Welcome back, happy fabricators. In this video we're going to try to solve the ever so present problem of the TIG pedal bird's nest. Now over the years there's been multiple people who have solved either problems or inconveniences in the TIG welding world that I feel like have just been kind of unmatched, like the Hourglass Ingenuity TIG torch holder, the Hourglass Ingenuity cable pucks, Jody Collier's TIG finger. All these were solutions to problems in this field. But the one problem I feel like I have not seen that many great solutions for is cable management for TIG pedals. Now I'm excluding wireless TIG pedals because they're not available for every machine and they're honestly out of a lot of people's budget. So I've got a solution that I think will work. It's DIY friendly, it's budget friendly, and will work on any brand of machine. So thanks for tuning in to AM Custom Fab. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, it's free to do so, and let's get started with our build. Okay, so I want to show you real quick where my mind was originally going. I originally purchased this retractor. I thought that would be a really cool way to manage these cables if you could retrofit your TIG pedal cable to go into a retractor like this. But under further investigation and dissecting this thing, I realized that the way this works, there's circular wiper contacts, so you'd have to cut your pedal wire apart and solder it in. So definitely not DIY friendly, would void the warranty on your machine, and this solution was kind of a bust. So the next idea I had has to do with this guy right here. This is a 25-foot long 3/8 retractor hose. Tag along, let's see if we can't make this work. Okay, so like I said before, the goal in this is to split this thing down the center all the way down the circle, and ideally I'd like to do it on the inside just to kind of not have the open edge on the outside. I think it'll look nicer and potentially have less crud get inside of it and stuff. So the safest way I could come up with to do that is, as you see, I got this little split shaft collar, and I will leave a link in the description where you can get one of those on Amazon or something like that. And then just a regular old box blade or razor blade, anything like that will do. And I stuck it in halfway into the depth in the shaft collar, and then we're going to run this thing through and see if we can't split it all the way down. Okay, so now that we got this thing all split down the center, that worked pretty well. We're going to try to install our pedal cord. Okay, so now that we got this thing all in here, I kind of like it. It's super compact. I will forewarn you, it was actually kind of a pain in the butt to get in there. The thing that I found worked the best was I bent this piece of welding wire in kind of a teardrop shape and then ran it over top of the wire, so then it was spreading the polyurethane as it was threading the cord through it, and that seemed to work the best to get it all fed in there. But we got it all fed in here. I left a little bit of a lead for room to plug it in and a little bit for my pedal. Now I got this scrap of ABS, and we're going to rig this up as a canister to mount to my welding cart and just kind of hold all this menagerie. So far, I really like the way it turned out. In the event that this is a project that you want to do yourself, I will leave links in the description to all the parts that I use there. But I feel like this is going to be a fairly good solution. Let me know down in the comments. It's going to provide a couple things. It's really easy to get in. It's really easy to get out. It's fairly compact and can be mounted in various places on your welding cart. It's going to provide that pedal cable with some good protection, whether it be abrasion resistance from getting drug along the floor, or even protecting it from impacts, things falling on it, getting pinched, you name it. So once again, if you guys want to see more fabrication content, click some of the links that are going to pop up here. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It's free to do so. Make sure to hit that like button because it's an easy way to support the channel, and go build something, guys.